Pillars are a key component of most hardscape projects, and with U-Cara, constructing them is quick and easy. The base for a pillar is prepared much the same as for a wall, only deeper. We recommend a minimum of 12 inches of clear stone below the base pad. Before construction, install electrical conduits and/or irrigation lines where required. Always observe local, state, and national building codes. The easiest way to construct a base pad for a U-Cara pillar is by installing 4 universal base units in a square. Pillars require a minimum of 2 courses of backer blocks below the finished grade for stability. Although fascia panels are not required below grade, they will provide additional stability for the pillar assembly. Refer to your plan to determine the total height of your pillar and calculate exactly how many large SureTrack backer blocks you need. You will need 4 large SureTrack backer blocks for every 6 inches in pillar height. Use a 3-inch chisel and 2-pound mallet to remove the front top key of each SureTrack backer block. Begin by marking the exact location for the first backer block on the base pad. Using concrete adhesive, glue the square of 4 large SureTrack backer blocks onto your base pad. Use a square to ensure perfect alignment of the group of blocks. Now glue the next square of the 4 backers onto the top of the first layer of backers. Be sure to log cabin each course of backers by placing them in the opposite direction. To create an additional SureTrack rail on the side of the backer block, simply snap in the plastic SureTrack insert as shown here. Every couple of courses, it's useful to hang the U-Cara fascia panels. This makes it easier to square and plumb the pillar as you go along. Be sure to use closed-end fascia panels for this purpose. Left and right corner fascia panels will create a log cabin appearance. Consider straddling layers of the backer block when placing U-Cara fascia panels to provide additional structural integrity. After hanging the final set of fascia panels and double-checking alignment, you're ready to place a pillar cap on top of the pillar.